Hi everyone, and welcome to Ohio Valley Couponers. So today I'm here on camera, kind of a chat video. Just wanted to chat with you all about some of the things that are going on with this channel and the other channel, Ohio Valley Vlogs. So I know a lot of you did head over there and subscribe, and I asked you to, and that was so nice of you. And a lot of you have wondered why I've not been posting there. So we're going to talk about that. And we're also going to post about updates for this channel. What's going to happen on Ohio Valley Couponer, what's the future like. I like to do this every quarter. We're heading into the spring, so I'm kind of cleaning up my schedule, I guess, getting it back in order, getting this YouTube channel back in order, and getting it where we want to be. So that's what we're going to talk about. We're going to talk about goals in the future for this, because I have some really good goals I want to hit. Like, we're going to hit it this time. I know we're going to get there with my YouTube goals. So first up, I apologize about the Kroger ad preview. That should have been up Saturday. I even got the ad and everything. However, I just have been having kind of a rough time. Yesterday, just as good news, I went ahead, I started my first treatment for my Crohn's disease and everything. I told you all about that. I haven't been talking about it that much. I did it Vlogmas, and that's been a couple months. So, yeah, I started treatment. That kind of was looming over my head all weekend long. Like, I really couldn't stop thinking about it. That's the obsessive personality I am. So I don't know, I could not bring myself to do it, and that's awful, but I couldn't bring myself to do the ad preview, and that's not a good excuse, because you all deserve to see that preview, and that's my job. So I want to say I am really sorry about that. Just was a lot this weekend to deal with, and I just did not do it, and I should have. So it is up now. If you click the little line in the top right corner, wait, is that the right or the left? I always do this with the camera. I think it's this one. I don't know. We'll see. One of the corners, right? Ad preview is up now for you to see. That is why I've not been feeling it this weekend with the ad preview. And I'm going to get back on a routine. So we're going to talk about that in the next couple minutes. But first, let's talk about Ohio Valley Vlogs. Back in January, I started up a vlogging channel. Not a vlog channel, it's a lifestyle channel. I was going to talk about like planner stuff. My sickness, recipes, organizational stuff. That channel never happened. I gotta give you an explanation why. When I first got really excited about that channel, because this is not a slam to anybody, because there's a lot of you who did go over there. I did not get the following I expected. I really thought more people from this channel would head over there, and they didn't. And YouTube, a couple years ago, when I even started YouTube for the couponing channel, like, the requirements were totally different. Now you have to have 10,000 hours of watch, or 4,000, it's 4,000. 4,000 hours of watch time and 1,000 subscribers to even become eligible for monetization. For review for monetization, for YouTube to even consider you. I did not get anywhere near 1,000 subscribers, and I am nowhere near that watch time at all. So, instead of me running two channels, I came up with the idea that if I want to post something like lifestyle video, I'm going to do it on Ohio Valley Couponer. I know that's weird. I know that's not what this is, but I have seen so many other YouTube channels who are couponers who have begun to incorporate things like lifestyle videos on their channels besides couponing. And they still post couponing stuff, but they'll post the other things there too. This point in life, it's really impossible for me to do two YouTubes because of the monetization thing. I'm not trying to sound like this is all about money, because that's not what all this is. But if I'm going to take the time to make a video, I think I'd rather post it on Ohio Valley Couponer, because I will get monetization. And even if some of you don't like it, I think I'd still have a better chance of getting more views and such on here, and I won't have to fight for monetization for it. So that's what I think this YouTube, we're going to merge it. We're going to do everything on Ohio Valley Couponer. So I'm done with Ohio Valley Vlogs. I'm not going to delete the channel or anything. I don't know what the future holds. Maybe some other thing will show up there that I want to do. But for right now, we are going to keep it all on Ohio Valley Couponer. Now, I'm not committing to anything. I originally said it was going to be every Thursday and Monday. We're not going to commit to that. Because I was putting so much pressure on myself trying to come up with ideas. I just didn't have a whole lot of ideas. So here's what I'm going to do. Because a lot of you were excited about that channel. I'm going to kind of do it as it comes. Like, if I come up with an idea for a video that's non-couponing, I'll just post it on a day where I don't have a couponing video or something. So that's kind of the future. We're going to have a High Valley couponer. We're still going to do all the couponing videos, but here and there, I'm going to throw in lifestyle videos that have nothing to do with couponing at all, because I know a lot of people like to see that. So, yeah, I hope that makes sense. Okay, so, and I would like to, I'm going to have to go down and really organize my stockpile because it's a mess. I'm going to have to, I think I'd like to film that, because a lot of you probably have those same struggles. So, I'm going to start incorporating things like that on Ohio Valley Couponer. Those who want to watch can watch. Those who don't, just don't watch. Maybe like a planner video too. I know a lot of you did enjoy that. So we're going to think about putting things like that. If I'm going to do them, I'm going to do it on this central channel. Just one channel, not worrying about two channels. Okay, so on to this channel, Ohio Valley Couponer. What's the future like for couponing videos? They're not going anywhere, but we're going to get on more of a routine, and we're going to incorporate some new things. I'm really excited. I came up with some new ideas. So, first up, on Friday, I did that rant video about the glittering thing that's been going on with couponing. I saw a video, and it really set me off in anger. I mean, not like screaming or anything, but like just frustration that people are going in when my Kroger was like thinking I was scamming them. So they sat there and read all the limits and stuff, but then people like this are going in Kroger and doing straight up fraud and putting it on YouTube. So that kind of thing, it set me off, and I felt like I needed to give you all a warning, because there are more and more Kroger YouTubers. When I started this, no one did it. And over the last year, multiple Kroger YouTubers are springing up. And that's fine. I'm glad Kroger's getting more attention. But I wanted to warn you, be really leery of what you watch. Because this person is going to Kroger and getting cart full of stuff for free, and they're committing fraud. So you got to be really careful about that. So I wanted to give you all the warning. What I wasn't expecting was how well that coupon chat video did. It got like 2,000 views. So I'm thinking that a coupon chat video like that, not about glittering every week, but about other things, would be really beneficial to this channel, to you. And I love couponing chat. My gosh, I could sit and talk about couponing for hours, but who wants to do that unless you're a couponer? So that's where you all come in, right? So I'm thinking every week a coupon chat video would be really awesome. So I'm thinking either Mondays or Tuesdays, come up with topics, and we talk about them every week. Kind of like I did on Friday with the glittering. In order to make the coupon chat thing happen, I want you all's ideas on what you'd like to talk about. What would you like me to sit down and do a video on? What do I need to research? So give me topic ideas, because that's definitely a video I'm going to do every week, coming on this spring schedule that we're starting. So coupon chat is coming. I'm planning on starting the schedule next week. So, pretty soon. Okay, so for Mondays, what I have wrote down. Mondays are hard. It's kind of up in the air for me. Sometimes I do Ibotta hauls on Monday, but it's not a given. So here's what I'm thinking. Monday, probably nothing unless it's a lifestyle video, like a stockpile organization or a planner video or something. Mondays, I'm thinking no couponing videos. Tuesdays, let's do a coupon chat. That's what I think Tuesdays is going to be the best at. Wednesday, we're going to keep it at Kroger Day. Kroger Day's here to stay. Kroger coupon deals, if we have participating items lists, if we have BOGOs. The same Kroger stuff we're doing now. That's not going anywhere. Thursday will be an Ibotta haul. Sorry, I'm moving my chair closer to the camera. Thursday will be an Ibotta haul. And if there's not an Ibotta haul, it will be a Walmart video. So sometimes Ibotta doesn't put out a bonus, so I would just do a video about Walmart deals. So that's kind of, as you can see, the Walmart videos pretty much have become non-existent. I've just rolled them into an Ibotta haul. Because if there's a good deal, I do it, right, with Ibotta. So there's no reason to do a separate Walmart video and then turn around and do a haul the next day saying the same thing. So, yeah. But if I don't do an Ibotta haul on Thursday, I will do a Walmart video. So I hope that makes sense. Fridays are coupon insert previews. And then if it's the first of the month, which this Friday is, it'll be new printables. Because I always do first of the month printables. Saturday will be Kroger ad preview. And we're bringing back an old series. If you've been around here for a while, I used to do last chance printable coupons. And with my affiliation with a certain website, I can see what coupons are going off of the gallery that weekend. So what I'm planning on doing Saturday mornings, doing a video showing you the coupons that are going away that you won't be able to get anymore, and like telling you to hurry up and print them if you want them. That's kind of what that's going to be. We're going to bring that back because I did that for a long time and it was pretty popular. Life just kind of got in the way and just got busy. Okay. And Kroger ad preview, that'll be on Saturday. And then Sunday is the same, new printable coupons at around 8:30 in the morning. And I've got quite a few of you who have said, you sound so depressed, you sound sick. Sunday mornings, I roll out of bed, and the first thing I do is get on that computer and quickly do that video because I have to be at church that morning. So, yeah, I don't always sound cheery because I am tired. I'm tired. I'd rather have slept. I like to keep sleeping, but I got to get up and get stuff done. I wouldn't rather sleep than go to church. I'm saying I'm still tired, so I'm kind of like waking up, if that makes any sense. So that's why I sound so tired on those videos. So yeah, that is it. I'm really excited for the new schedule. And in between there, we're going to do hauls. If I do a haul on a Monday or Tuesday, I'm going to still post it. I'm not going to that'll just be an additional bonus. You'll get to see another haul video. Or if something new comes out, like Fridays, the Kroger Friday, Saturday sale alerts, we don't get the Friday, Saturday thing every week. But the times we do get it, there will be a video up on that Friday. And this week, we're getting a 4-day sale at Kroger. So that starts on Thursday. So this Thursday, there will be an additional video up about Kroger. So it's always subject to change. That's the idea. That's what you should expect from me. We're committing to that. We're adding 2 new things back in. We are adding in coupon chat and last chance printables. I'm really pumped about that. I think it's going to be a phenomenal schedule this spring, getting back into YouTube. And I want your tips and comments. Let me know your overall thoughts of my channel. Do you think I'm doing things right? Is there something I could change? Is there another type of video you'd rather see? Let me know. I'm always open to your feedback because obviously I'm serving you all. This is my job. This is, I don't work at Walmart or McDonald's or something. This is my job. This is my career right now. In college, this is my job. So I take it really, really seriously. And I want to make sure I'm doing a good job. So let me know your all feedback and your comments and everything. Thank you so much for always watching. You all are the best. I appreciate everyone who's watched. I mean, I've been on here for almost 2 years. No, about a year and a half. I'm almost 10,000 subscribers. That's the goal for... I really, really want to be at 10,000 subscribers by the end of March. And if we hit 10,000 subscribers, I promise there's going to be a giveaway or something. A Q&A giveaway, something. We're going to do something big. Well, within my budget or whatever. But we're going to do something really, really great for 10,000. So, be sure to encourage your friends. Encourage everyone to come subscribe over here. Help me hit 10K. And when we do, I promise, we're going to do something really, really awesome. I'm really looking forward to that. And I admit I grow smaller than the other YouTubers. But I apologize, my phone ran out of storage. But that's pretty much it for this video. I am really pumped to hit 10K subscribers, and I'm thankful for everyone who still watches. And yeah, that's all I have for now. Hope you enjoyed this update. Thank you so much for watching.